Hi, I'm Mark from Everything Summer Camp. I'm going to show you how to replace this side trim piece, and these instructions will apply to the trim piece on the lid or the base on either side of the trunk. What we're going to have to do first is loosen the two screws on this corner protector, then completely remove this clamp and this corner protector. So we'll loosen these two screws in the corner protector about halfway. We'll completely remove the two screws that are holding this clamp on. And we're going to set the screws and the clamp off to the side. We're going to be using those again. Then we get down to this corner protector on the other side. We're going to completely remove that one. There's three screws holding it in. We're going to set those screws and that corner protector off to the side and then remove the piece of trim. We'll take our new piece of trim and slide it under that far corner protector. We'll take that corner protector that we removed and let's get that reattached. We'll start with that top screw, tighten that about halfway. Tighten that second screw about halfway. And we'll completely tighten that third and last screw. Come back and tighten those other two screws completely. And now that piece of trim is being held in place. We'll put our clamp back on. Tighten that first screw halfway. Completely tighten the second screw. Go back and completely tighten the first screw. And then just retighten those two screws on that far clamp, or on that far corner protector.